Warsaw, 1954 versus today. Theatre Welcome 1944 versus now. Prudential House, Hotel Warsaw view from 1944. All Saints Church 1952. Shadows over the ruined Castle Square 1945. Miodowa and Duga Street view towards Vistula River in 1946. Castle ruins, state from 1945. On the cleared Castle Square, traces of the destroyed Sigismund's column are visible. Warsaw, 1946. The ruined old town is visible. On the left, the PKO Bank Polski building, the Market Square, and in the upper right corner, Kraszinski Square. Ruins of the old town, view towards the Vistula River 1945. Castle Square, Senatorska and Miodowa streets in 1941. View from a German plane. Streets Krakowski Przedni C, Miodowa, Nowy Zjazd. Senatorska in July 1944. 1945, sea of ruins shortly after the end of the war. View towards Old Town Market. City ruins, state from 1946. In the very back, the Olowieskiego Hospital visible. The old town after the Warsaw Uprising. View of Kononia and the Market Square, 1945. Prudential House, Hotel Warsaw view from 1944. Nowy Świat between Świętokrzyska and Warszawie, 1941. Świętokrzyska Street and the surrounding areas, 1940. Kraszinski Square, 1956. Marowska, 1954 versus today. Social action to clear the rubble of Warsaw. Marowska on the top left, 1950. Remains of the Solna Street development. Visible are Hala Marowska, Pasta, and Prudential. Iron Gate Square 1940. A similar photo, this time showing the guard hall. Ruins of the main railway station in between the 1946 to 1948. This is how the main railway station looked like in July 1944. On this image, a fragment on the train tracks of the main train station and the tenement houses on Hamilna Street. Nalivki and Duga Street on the top left, right next to it Royal Arsenal, and on the right side of the image the remains of the Warsaw Ghetto. Military remand prison, and on the left is the place where the monument to the ghetto heroes was built. In the middle are Leszno and Tumasi, on the left the beginning of Nalivki and Duga Streets, on the right a piece of Bankowy Square. Excavation for the foundations of the Palace of Culture and Science in 1952, Defilade Square. Ravaged city in 1944, the main post office visible on the left, and in the center Prudential. Theatre Square, the main town hall with the Tower Clock and the Opera House in July 1944. View of Warsaw, aerial photo of the city centre. Visible buildings, Philharmonic, PKO. Main post office, Prudential. Past A streets, Świętokrzyska, Mazowiecka, Jasna, Marszałkowska, Manuszki. Świętokrzyska Street 1941.